Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat, and I'm here to show you and talk to you about the oil-free matte block. This is a wonderful moisturiser, a day moisturiser. It's got SPF30 in it, so you've got your sun protection already in it. It's really good. It's part of the active clearing range, so it's really good for an acne skin or a slightly oilier skin. It gives you that matte finish. It's light, so it's a really nice moisturiser. As I've said in a couple of other videos, a lot of people that suffer with spots or are very oily hate moisturising and won't moisturise because they're worried they're just going to add more oil to their skin. You're not. Sometimes if your skin feels panicked that it's not got enough moisture, then it will have excess. It will produce excess oil and shine to your skin. So you need to hydrate and you need to moisturise, but it's about finding the right one that you like the feel of, that's light, that's more water-based, more of a lotion rather than a thick cream, and this is perfect for that. So how I apply it to the back of my hand, and then I dip my finger in, pop it where you're going to apply. Don't forget your neck and chest area. So you wouldn't use this in the evening because it's got your SPF in it, and that would be a total waste of time and money. So you would use this as your day cream. So for an evening cream, if you have got a slightly oilier skin, you can use Active Moist. If you've got quite a sore active acne skin, then you could use something like Calm Water Gel as your evening moisturiser, but this would be your day. If you're going on a holiday and you're in the sun and you're applying a SPF all the time, this is perfect for that. Perfect for any skin type if you're using it on holiday, because you're going to be applying it many times a day to make sure that your skin's protected. So this is perfect. So I use this every time I go abroad because it just goes on lovely, doesn't feel heavy, and because, as I say, you're applying it many times a day, it just goes on so nicely, and it leaves you quite matte as well, so less shine. So it's really nice to go under makeup as well. Do not forget neck and your chest area. Always use your facial sun protection on your chest area. We really age in this area, us women, so really make sure you're going and massaging it all the way down your neck and down your chest area. This is perfect for slightly spotty skin, and as you can see, I've got a few perimenopausal spots that come up and leave me quite red. So this is really nice for my skin type, to not make it too heavy, but keep it nice and hydrated so it doesn't panic and produce more oil. There we go. So you're good to go with an SPF. So if you don't wear makeup, you're good to go. If you wear makeup, put makeup on after this. Thank you for watching. There'll be more information below about the oil-free matte block, and I shall see you soon.